we like this. Soup. Oh no. Okay, so I did a vlog a couple weeks ago, which is a new format for me, as we discussed in the last video, and you guys seem to like it, so I thought we would do that again. I just finished doing my skincare and my makeup, and I'm just enjoying a little morning matcha. I thought I would take you guys through a day today where I am kind of prepping my apartment for my 365 days of self-love and living each day as an act of self-love. Self-love starts with food, so let's make some breakfast. Before we start cooking, I'm actually gonna take my Ritual Symbiotic Plus, which actually just happens to be today's sponsor. So Ritual makes a number of multivitamins for women at multiple stages of their life. This is the Symbiotic Plus. It's a prebiotic, a probiotic, and a postbiotic, and it supports your gut microflora. This has been amazing for me. My friend actually suggested it to me, and this has been amazing for me when I am on my menses, you know, when things get a little complicated. And I have noticed a huge difference from taking these. Probiotics actually help support immune health, since 70% of your immune system is located in your gut. So we'll take that. And like daily disturbances can really mess up your gut, like travel, lack of sleep, stress. So when I go to Brazil in a couple weeks, I'm definitely gonna be taking these with me as well. Ritual Symbiotic Plus contains 2 of the world's most clinically studied probiotic strains, and it has a delayed release capsule. It's designed to help reach the colon, which is actually an ideal place for the probiotics to survive and not like hang out in your stomach. And before I forget, they've actually given us a code, which is amazing, EdgyVeg30, to get 30% off your first month. Check them out. Everything is in the description box down below. Breakfast time. For breakfast, I'm craving beans on toast. I have this a lot. Sometimes I make baked beans, and sometimes I buy them because it's easy. And today, one of the days where we're going from a can. I also actually just realized that my multigrain bread has prebiotic in it. So there's a little pattern here on today's video with the meals. To elevate my beans on toast, I like to season it with some mustard and some Maggi seasoning. If you know, you know. Sometimes nutritional yeast, but lately it's been making me feel a little meh in the tummy, so I'm not going to use that. So I like to season it with like a tablespoon of mustard and then the Maggi seasoning, and just kind of, you know, elevate it a little bit. And then I like to top it with cheese. I prefer like a vegan feta style cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you want. Usually I also use Marmite and put butter and Marmite on the toast, but I didn't have any. I ran out, and I'm very sad, but it's actually surprisingly how difficult to find.
There was a woman apparently looking into the shrubs, I thought she was stealing some of your shrubs.
People also do that.
Then I noticed that she had a bird in her hand. She thinks it might have flew into the window.
Oh God,
I told her to just leave it by the shrub and hope that it's in shock.
By the way, this is Jocelyn. Hi. Let's hope the day gets better for that bird. We'll check on him in a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy. I think the last time that I had a bird run into something, they said that they wouldn't survive, and they said not to feed them anything. But I'm kind of like, should I put a little bowl or fruit out or something? You might just be stunned. Do you want some water? Okay, well, we'll leave water there, and I guess we'll come check on him in a bit. Fuck yeah. Have you ever met a dog that doesn't like walks? Crying all morning, and it's very hard to shoot when you are crying. It's your little bum bum. Let's go, let's go. Boy, is it because someone's filming? Because you're not usually this good with walks either. Usually hides under the table. Oh, no, have a good time. So today's a shoot day. That's all the makeup. I'm gonna punch out a couple videos, eat some food, and then I just wanna like do some stuff around the house to get my home feeling more homey. I'm gonna eat this, and then we're gonna do that.
What? What did you say?
Who wants beans on toast? Oh no. My fridge is being delivered today, hopefully. So it stopped working altogether, and now it just won't close. Hopefully, my landlord just called and was like, they thought it was coming tomorrow. And I'm like, no, it has to happen today. So hopefully, it's my recession fridge. This fridge is a metaphor for the state of my life. It's being held together with packing tape. Okay, do you want to try my new kombucha? This one is black tea and mango, and I just bottled it like 3 days ago. Okay, that's really good. Cheers. You wanna see my kombucha closet? I'm building scobies because I accidentally murdered one when I went to Vegas. One of my closets of shame. But here's my kombucha. So I'm growing little scobies. If you wanna grow your own SCOBY, I have a blog post. That one might be molded. That one might be molded. Sometimes they look molded, but they're not. It's on the bottom, not the top, so it might not be. I know this one, because this has been in for like 3 weeks. That's a good, healthy SCOBY. Look at what this one looks like now. Just new growth? I haven't seen that color before. I think it's just new growth. I mean, we'll find out in a couple weeks. Okay, so we're gonna shoot some TikToks. I'm gonna do some like recipes for one, like cooking for single girlies. Karina's behind the camera. Hung's behind the other camera. Jocelyn is my wonderful prep assistant that helps me prep all the food and helps me throughout the day, and like part-time dog nanny, I guess, sometimes. Wow.
Bada bing, bada boom.
He's alive!
Oh, the bird! I was like, I mean, he's... Okay, bye.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God. Okay, well, he's in a tree. That's good. We like this. His eyes definitely, I mean, messed up. His eyes messed up. Get away from me. Why are you even here? Wait. I'm craving tomato soup. It is I started it to teach people how to make their favorite foods. And we're done. That was a mess. So obviously on shoot days, we eat the food. So my lunch today is the pasta that we shot, scones, and a tomato soup. So that's what we're gonna eat. We do not waste food here. Oh my God, I just realized how many drinks I have here. Stay hydrated, friends. If you don't follow me on TikTok, you totally should. I'm a little scared to see what's behind this fridge. I appreciate that. So I'll just wait for you guys to let me know. Fridge is not showing up today because they don't have one. So I got off the phone with my landlord, and apparently they bought a fridge, but it's not in stock, but they didn't tell her that. They said they could deliver today, but now they can't deliver today, and this is not working. So I don't think I'm getting a fridge today, and so I'm gonna see if I can unplug it. I need a big, strong man. I'm just a small girl. Like, where do you get a grip of it? You get the top, I get the bottom? What's all this working out for if I can't? Is it disgusting back there? Could be worse. My other house was way worse. It was like, there was like a dead mouse behind it, which is not the case here. Oh, some almonds down here. Anyone want a snack? A little snack of almonds. A couple pieces of dog food. You know what? It's actually not that bad. I'm in the chokey. Why don't I show you my plans for the rest of my condo? I realize I've been here for a year, but I don't know. It's been a weird year, and I didn't really feel like I know that I lived here, but I didn't really make it homey for myself, and I don't know why that is. And I'm starting to now. So let me show you what I'm gonna do with the rooms I haven't tackled in a year. My doom rooms, I call them. So this is my doom room. Anyone with ADHD can relate. Some people have boxes, doom boxes. I have doom rooms. My TV was in my living room, and my ADHD is really bad, and I can't watch TV because I can't concentrate. So I didn't want it there anymore because it's an eyesore. So I moved a chair in there and moved it in here. So what I'm thinking in here, this is a sofa bed. So I think I'm gonna do like a TV room / guest room, but I want it to be like super, super cozy. So I need to go through a lot of this stuff and like either donate some or give some away or sell some. This is my closet. What is this? Memory foam mattress that will go onto here if I ever have a guest, because these are awful. Why, what's the point even, really? What I wanna do today at some point, because this is also an extension of like my doom room. This is my table from my old house. that I need to sell, but I also have nowhere to put it right now. So I'm gonna put that in the storage unit. My old desk, which I also have to sell, I just don't want them in here anymore because this looks ridiculous and I've been here for a year. It's kind of like a weird space, but I have clothes. Huge, huge deal.
It is huge.
And now it's like dusty and I pulled it out of the back of a box, but I probably should put it somewhere. I do have the urge to like open it up and like hold it. Putting my fridge back, except I'm not doing it. Thank you. Do you need help? My goodness, I can't wait to never see this fridge ever again. Okay, what are we shooting next? Okay, for dinner, I'm gonna take those soaked soy curls. Do you remember the ones that I soaked earlier? Yes, those ones. And I'm going to throw them into a super hot skillet. This is super easy if you want something really quick and tasty and fresh. Dinner time! I am tired. I love a good, easy meal. So, I feel like the dinner portions of the vlogs are always the most boring because I literally have nothing else to say because it's the end of the day. Thank you for being here. This is so good though. I have a recipe for this, I think on my blog, some version of this. It's really good. A huge thank you to Ritual for sponsoring today's video. Make sure that you check out the link in the description box and use code EdgyVeg30 for 30% off your first month. Let me know what you think. Go away. That's the end. That's all, folks. See you next time. Bye.